Here, we'll be adding Octane AI to your Shopify store. Within your Shopify backend, you can go to the App section and visit the Shopify App Store. Once you search for Octane AI, you can select Octane AI, press Add App to add it to your backend, and give Octane AI permissions by clicking Install App. You'll be taken to our onboarding section, where you can create your account, connect your store, connect your Facebook page, review settings, and select your plan. Here, you can enter in your information, or if you already have an account, sign in. You can then select a new bot to build, or if you already have a bot, select it. Next, you'll be able to connect your Facebook page. When connecting your Facebook page, the pages that will appear are the pages that you're the admin role of. If your page is not appearing, check your Facebook page settings to see what role you are. If you are the admin, let us know in the chat in the bottom right-hand corner and we can help out. If you'd like, you can also create a test page. This way, you can test the page and then connect your real business page in the backend when you're ready, at any time. Next, you can choose to turn on a number of our opt-in tools, which we'll learn about later. Here's the welcome pop-up, where you can enter in a Shopify code that you've created in your backend to offer to customers when they come to your site. Next is the exit intent pop-up, which will appear when customers are intending to exit your site. This is available for Pro and Enterprise plans. Finally, order status page button, which will appear to customers after they make a purchase. We'll review all of the opt-in tools in our opt-in tools video. Next, you can set up a number of automated flows. We'll learn about flows later, but by default, they're optimized for conversions. Next, you can choose the payment plan that suits you. We have a ton of information below, but you can also check out our website. After clicking Start Free Trial, you can accept the payment in your Shopify backend, and now you're all ready to go. In this video, we added Octane AI to your Shopify store, created your Octane AI account, connected your Facebook page, and accepted the selected plan payment. Next up, join me for a quick platform tour, or see our optional video on how you can import subscribers from another platform to Octane AI.